Hello, this is Edwin. I want to teach you how to use Spreadshirt and to add additional products. So I'm at the design section where I'm trying to edit my design here. And when you click on one of the designs, you're going to see essentially three areas. Is more editing the more details, the product selection, and the sales channel. Today we're going to go to product selection and I'm going to click edit. Now when you uploaded your design, you probably saw these two rows of designs, right? And the important thing to know is actually these are not the only designs that you can upload. You can actually click on this. It says edit product selection. So I'm going to click on this. And when you click on this, you're going to see that there's additional products that are not actually active right now. So I'm going to click on the men's section. And when I clicked on the men's section, I'm just going to add all of these products. And then after I add the men's section, I'm going to go to the women's. And you get the idea. I'm going to fast forward this and just add each section, the men, the women, the kids, and the babies and accessories. Okay, so I'm at the end where I added all my products. So I'm going to press done at the bottom. Okay, we're back. So now we're at the page where we were at before. And as you can see, it's more than 2 rows this time. There's additional products that have been placed. And I'm just going to scroll down to show you how many products there are. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of products here. And this is great for you if you want to add more products to your Spreadshirt store. And this is going to help you get better results in the searches so people can find your product. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down and there's still a lot of products to see here. And once you're done, you're going to press apply.